Hey guys, it's Alicia. Now today I have another Weight Watcher friendly recipe for you, and that is for chicken cordon bleu. Now I've been making this for years and I have made several little tweaks to the recipe, but it is originally a Weight Watcher recipe. So I am going to just give you my version of it. This recipe is quick and easy, but absolutely delicious. So what you're gonna need to make this is, first of all, 4 chicken breasts. You can do more or less if you want, but I'm just doing 4. You want them to be about 4 ounces. Mine are definitely bigger than that, but that's what I've got, so that's what I'm gonna use. Then you're gonna want to get some low-fat Swiss cheese slices, and then some thinly sliced prosciutto. I've got a 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs here, and then I've got 2 egg whites, a tablespoon of water, some salt, pepper, cooking spray, and that is it. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is turn your oven on to preheat at 450, and then you're gonna take your chicken breasts and you're gonna put them on a piece of wax paper, and then you're gonna just fold that over, and you're gonna take a rolling pin and you're going to just pound the chicken until it is about a 1/4 inch thick. Okay, I've got the other 3 breasts pounded out, so now I'm going to put a little pepper on these and a little salt. And now I'm gonna take my cheese and I'm going to lay that on there. And I'm just cutting these in half so that I get more coverage with it. Okay, now I'm gonna take my prosciutto and I'm gonna just lay that across the cheese. Okay, now I'm gonna just roll these up. And then put them seam down. Now if you want, you can put a toothpick through here, but I don't do that. Okay, and that is them. And now I gotta go wash my hands for the millionth time, because every time I work with chicken, all I do is wash my hands. Okay, now the next step is to take your egg whites and you're gonna dump your water in them. And then you're just going to beat this up real well. Okay, I've got my eggs all nice and beat up. Now what I'm gonna do is take a cookie sheet and I'm gonna just spray it with a little cooking spray. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my chicken breast, I'm going to dunk it in the egg, and then I'm going to dredge it through the breadcrumbs. Just like that. Now I'm gonna lay this on my cookie sheet, seam down. And I'm gonna just do that for the rest of them. Okay, and that is what they look like. So now what I'm gonna do is give these a quick spray on top with the cooking spray again. And then I'm gonna put these in the oven for probably about 25 minutes. You just wanna cook them until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165. This has been in for 25 minutes. I took it out and did a temp on it, and it is good. So I will let it sit here for a bit before I plate it up. Okay, and here I've got it plated up with a little bit of a salad. And I will go ahead and cut into this so you can see what it looks like on the inside. This lightened up version of chicken cordon bleu is so delicious you won't even realize it's a lightened up version. And like I said before, it is so easy to make and it just comes together really, really quickly. The Weight Watcher Points Plus on this is just at 7 points for a 4-ounce chicken breast. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.